Both Shandong cuisine and Sichuan cuisine have the dish Kung Pao Chicken. Today, my apprentice Wong Gang and I are each going to make a version of this dish with different flavors.
Today, I'll show my skills before my master.
All right, let's both learn from each other.
Today, I'm using chicken breast. In Sichuan, chicken thigh is also an option. We'll need minced ginger, scallion, garlic, peanuts, dried chili peppers, Sichuan peppercorns, ginger, and garlic.
Slices.
Then the main and supplementary ingredients are diced scallions for making a bowl sauce. This is spicy pepper oil made from chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns. This is knife cut chili taken from here and chopped up. Add it in when you're about to finish cooking.
Right, as for this marinated dish, its ingredients include green peas, water, and red chili peppers. And then there are peanuts, which are also made with Sichuan pepper oil and chili oil, but it's a bit milder than Sichuan cuisine. For the meat, I chose chicken drumsticks, but you can use either chicken breast or drumsticks. You can start preparing it first.
Okay, all right.
You start stir frying, you go ahead and stir fry. You start first.
You can't add too much oil. If you add too much, the temperature won't get high enough. Just put this straight in. I've already turned off the heat, and I'm using the residual heat to cook it through. All right, it's about ready to pour out. Then just stir fry the dried chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns until fragrant, and at this point, add the ginger, scallions, and garlic. Lower the temperature. Then add a bit of spicy oil, and then add the scallions. If you don't saute this first, you can see it's really spicy. All right, now add the diced chicken. Once the chicken goes in, you don't need to stir fry it too much, just add it straight in. Add the sauce in portions, and finally add a bit of peanuts. Add a bit more of this to wash away the strong spicy flavor.
It looks great at a glance.
Should we try it while it's hot, teacher?
Oh, this is really good stuff indeed. This is truly excellent material.
Very tender.
Come on. Swallow it down.
Afterwards, try it.
That wonderfully spicy flavor really comes out. Yeah, he truly nailed the incredibly spicy taste, didn't he?
Let me try your chicken breast.
It's so tender the way it's stir-fried.
This has to be tender.
Tender.
Just like that.
It can be tender. Very good, very good, very good.
Then I'll leave the rest to the master.
The flavor is unique. Oil temperature is too low when they are fried right.
Master, if you turn on the heat, the one I had before me was the one that used the pot.
You didn't open the pot, but your effect is that the chicken is less than that.
Light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. White sugar. Finally, you have to add oil. Peanut rice oil.
All right, got it.
Okay.
Watch.
Try one, try one. Before the master cooked and I tasted. Now master and apprentice cook and I still taste.
Impressive, Jilin.
Ah, yes.
Hey, just eat the peanuts together, that's all. Put them in your mouth. Hey, start from here. Yeah, that's right. Eat the dish like this. No, it's still...
The chicken is really springy, very tender, and has a great bite to it.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly.
And the flavor is pretty mild. Wong Gang, let me try it again. Let me taste it carefully one more time. It's really delicious. The dish you made today isn't especially spicy. As long as it's not chili peppers.
Chili.
Chili peppers won't do.
In Sichuan, we can eat a chili pepper as a meal.
Yeah, but in your dish, the numbing flavor stands out more.
What stands out is the burnt flavor of the dried chili peppers.
Burnt spiciness.
That burnt, fragrant spiciness, plus a hint of the numbing aroma from Sichuan peppercorns.
The numbing pepper flavor, the numbing aroma, also needs to stand out. So that's one of the differences between Sichuan cuisine and Shandong cuisine.
Originally, it was called Gong Bao. Gong Bao is actually a person's name. Later on, it was extended to refer to a cooking technique. Because with this technique, you can make a variety of dishes, but stir-fried dishes all share a common feature, which is that the main ingredients must be tender, fresh, fragrant, sour, sweet, and spicy. There's always a peppery aroma but in this case it emphasizes being more
mild and harmonious. For Sichuan cuisine, seasoning is the main focus.
And
As for the techniques, the teacher just explained them very clearly, and when it comes to seasoning, there are actually 12 different types of spicy flavors alone.
a whole variety of highlights.
For spicy flavors, there are 12 types, and over a dozen non-spicy ones.
That is to say, this varies depending on the region. The local people here, their requirements for flavor aren't very high, just like the palate in Jailan. It's about sharpening, yes, and mastering it well. When it comes to taste, I can't expect others to meet my own standards. Yes, right? Still, you can be true to yourself. But as for this palate, I just go by my own standards. You did a great job, that's good. All right, thank you, masters.